Good morning, students. So today we will be starting with our lesson 1, Know Your Computer. So in this chapter we will be first covering the topic computer and man. As you all know, computer is a very useful and a smart machine which is found at so many places around you, like in schools, offices, banks, hospitals, malls, shops, for doing lot many work. These days, computer has become an important part of our life. Like you all, these days, you are taking your online classes through computers. So, you know that computer can do lot many work like human beings or children like you. But still, there are few differences between computer and man. So, let's first discuss the differences between computer and human beings. First, computers can work very fast, but humans cannot work as fast as computers. So, this means that whenever you give a work to do or you are doing any work on the computer, you get the result or the output very quickly. But human beings or students like you take a little time to complete or finish that task. Next, computers, they always do the work correctly and give you the accurate or the correct results. They never make mistakes, but human beings, they can make mistakes. Sometimes, like children like you remember when you are doing some work in your notebook, writing any paragraph in English or solving any math sums, you make a mistake and you use an eraser. But computers, they never make mistakes. So these were the 2 points. Next, third point, with difference between computer and human is that computers does not get tired and bored, and they can work for hours without complaining. But humans, they get tired after doing work for some time and they need to take rest. So, next difference between computer and human is that computers need electricity to work, but human being, they don't need electricity to work. If electricity goes off, the computers will stop working. But human beings, they don't need electricity. They can go on doing the work from the energy which they get from eating the food. Next difference between computer and human, you must have observed many times that when your mother or your father scolds you if you are not doing any work properly, then what happens? You feel sad and you become unhappy. Similarly, if your mother gives you a chocolate, your favorite chocolate or your favorite toffee or your favorite ice cream, or she bakes a nice cake for you, you feel happy. So, human beings, they have feelings, but computers, they don't have any feelings. Why? Because they are machines, they are the man-made things. So, machines, they don't have feelings. Next, most important difference between computer and man is that computer can store large amount of information in its memory. Human beings can also store information in their memory, and in human beings the memory is in their mind, which is in our head. But in computers, the memory of computer is the CPU, which is the central processing unit. But it can store lot many information in it, and it does not forget anything. This means you can again afterwards also you can look and you can search for that information. But in the case of human beings or students, it may happen that you forget something. So you cannot store, we can say that you cannot store as much as information as a computer can store. So these were the differences between computers and human beings. Now, but we have few similarities. So let's talk about the similarities between computers and human beings. So first, both computer and man have memory to store the information which can be used later on. Though in computer we can store large amount of information, but in human beings we can store little bit. But both have memory where we can store the information. And the second similarity, both need care to work properly. So we have to take care of our computer, otherwise it will stop working, it will break down, and then we will not be able to work on it. Like human beings, if we don't eat proper food, we don't take proper diet, we don't take care of ourselves, then we fall sick. So both computer and man need proper care to work properly. So I hope you must have understood the difference and similarities between computers and man.